Here's the secret to looking expensive without looking overdone, and it starts before foundation even touches your skin. Today, I'm using three of my favorite Chanel products to create this soft French sun kissed look. And the technique I'm using is something I absolutely adore as a fine artist. It's called underpainting. Let's start with the stars of the show, and I'm going in with Chanel Lip and Cheek Balms in two shades, Red Camellia and Berry Boost. Just look at these colors, they're rich, diffused, and extremely skin-like, the kind of shades that don't sit on your face but becomes a part of it. I'm starting with the red camellia and I'm using this across my cheeks, lips, and even a soft wash over my eyes. Think of this layer as, laying the first layer of emotion on the face, like the base layer of a painting. I'm not being too precise here. I'm just tapping, blending, letting the colors melt into the skin. It gives that beautiful, flushed, warmth that already starts to bring the face to life. Now I'm taking just a tiny amount of Berry Boost and adding it for depth. This shade is slightly deeper, so it naturally creates dimension. I am placing it wherever I need more depth. And finally, I'm using the Chanel Ultra Teint Foundation in shade BD11. And here's the key, I'm using very little, just focusing on the center of my face where I want that soft refinement. I'm letting all the color that we placed underneath quietly show through. As I blend this out, you'll see what I mean. The skin still looks like skin, but better. The warmth, the flush, the dimension, it's all there, just softened and more refined. It's not about covering, it's all about diffusing. And you can see how beautiful the base has turned out. It looks like my skin, but better. It has a certain amount of luminosity. And I am just building it up wherever I need. I think I need a little more coverage, and that's it, guys. It is such a beautiful everyday wear foundation. This is one of my favorite products from Chanel, and I love to use it even during the summer. It doesn't make my skin feel heavy or it doesn't feel like foundation. It is a tint and it has the perfect formulation. It has that perfect elastic stretch that makes you use a very tiny amount and you can cover an entire face with it. Now that the base is set, I'm going back in with the lip and cheek balms very lightly. First, the red camellia again, just to bring back that fresh lifted flush, and then a touch of the berry boost to enhance the depth. This layering process is what makes the look feel so seamless. Nothing looks like it's sitting on top. Everything feels like it's coming from within, and that is it. That's the final look, guys. It's so French, very fresh, the perfect for summer, effortless, but very intentional, soft but still striking. This is the kind of makeup that doesn't try too hard, but somehow still everything comes together and says a lot. And honestly, once you start using the underpainting method in your makeup routine, it's very hard to go back, guys. Let me know what you think about this look. Have you tried the underpainting method? What are your favorite products from Chanel? Have you tried these lip and cheek balms? I want to know. Let me know in the comments section below, and I will see you soon in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.